All right, so we're live back at TFL on a Sunday. I hope everyone's having a great weekend. Okay, so this week is the last week of phase two, which means for the past 5 weeks, there's certain things that by now you should be doing on a regular basis. The first one being have an eating schedule and writing it down in your book. By now, that should be easy for you, right? You should know that Monday, it's going to be beef day. You should know that Wednesday, it's going to be lentil day. That's what having an eating schedule looks like or sounds like. And writing it down, well, for some of you, it helps you, it keeps you accountable for the things that you know you should be having. And for some of you, it's like you know that today is meat day, and no matter what happens, you're not gonna miss your meals. Okay, so that's why if you're using a book to write things down, that's perfect. That's why we have it on there. If you're not, okay, we trust you that you're doing exactly what you're supposed to be doing. Okay. Number 2 is rotating your foods daily. So, like I said, you should not be eating chicken 2 days in a row. You should not be eating eggs every day of the week. Come on, that's simple stuff, right? Number 3, you should be eating 4 main meals per day. 4 main meals per day. Now, when I say main meals, it means a good amount. I don't mean like, a boiled egg and a cup of oatmeal with some berries. That sounds like a snack, okay? 4 main meals is gonna be like 3 to 4 eggs with maybe, if it's chicken day, with some veggies on the side, plus your Ezekiel, 2 slices of Ezekiel bread on the side. That could be your chicken day breakfast, right? And that's the main meal. And the snacks accordingly, right? Since you're having 4 main meals, the snacks now become a little bit of a if I need a snack. If I don't need a snack, I can go without it. It's fine. Why? Because you're having 4 main meals. Okay. Number 4. By now, you should be having 1 post-workout shake per day. Okay, 1 protein shake per day. And that's like an easy, right? That's an easy one. Everyone knows that after the workout, you must have a protein shake. And BCAAs while you work out, okay? If you don't know what BCAAs are, it's the red drink that you see everyone around here drinking it while they work out. That's a BCAA drink, okay? Number 5, by now, you should be eating protein at every meal and snack. You should be eating carbs as needed, okay? And fats as recommended. If you guys remember the last time I did a video live, we talked about the things you should be eating if you work out in the morning, evening, and how you should be eating according to your days off, okay? That video is down below, so if you don't know what I'm talking about, you scroll down and you're gonna find that video right there, okay? And 6, by now, you should be eating out less than 3 times per week. Eating out means that if you're eating something that you did not cook yourself or someone that you know, right? That's eating out. So if you are at work and somebody brings chicken and veggies from who knows where, that could be considered eating out, okay? And it goes back to the same principle from the last phase 1, 3 X's per week, right? You should be eating bad meals 3 times per week. Only 3 once per week. Okay? And the reason why we're doing this today is because phase 3, it's coming. And I must say, it's gonna be a challenge. Why? Because phase 1 and phase 2, it's training for phase 3. It's like phase 1 is like your green day in the book, right? You're gonna deadlift light, we're gonna talk about your technique, and we're just gonna focus on your form. Phase 2, it's like, okay, we're gonna increment the weight now. We're gonna be doing, sets of 6 to 8 repetitions. And phase 3 is like testing week. And you know what I'm talking about, testing week. And that's what phase 3 is going to be. So, I want you guys to focus on one thing. Am I following these principles on a regular basis? Is this easy for you to do now? If you're having a hard time with something, I want you to just focus on that. It's like, okay, I got this one. Check, 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 check. Okay. I need to just get my mind right and just say, okay, I know phase 3 is coming. What am I going to do different so by phase 3, this does not bite me in the butt? Because if you go to phase 3 and you have a weak link, it's going to catch up to you. All right? So I just want you to take a look at the list and make sure that all of these are things that you're good at, or things that you're following right now on a regular basis without us, the TFL staff, telling you about it. As in, like, come on, if you're eating chicken and meat on the same day, of course we're going to chew you out. Come on. All right? Well, with that said, let's focus on this. And then later in the week, like a Wednesday or Thursday, I'm going to do another video. So this way, you're getting your mind ready for phase 3. All right? Okay. Until next time.